Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install the HP LaserJet 1006 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to bring up our Google Chrome browser. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, which is the Google Chrome. And once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, the moment you are being navigated to this Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the search bar here at the center and type for HP LaserJet space 1006. Okay, printer space driver. Again, type for HP LaserJet 1006 printer driver and click on enter to proceed. So you would be able to see a bunch of results, and here you need to locate for this one, which is it contains the HP LaserJet 1006 printer driver. So click on it, and the moment you do that, just have to wait until you would be redirected to the result of this one. Okay. You can also use the other link here pasted. You can proceed with the HP support website, and from there you can see the link. Okay, so here you just have to scroll down on the list and proceed with this one. Click on this down arrow aligning to this driver product installation software, and that will show up the basic drivers. So here are the basic drivers. Click on it, and from here, please click on this download aligning to it. So don't worry, I'll be pasting this link at the description box below. So please copy it. Okay? And once you have copied it, you can paste it at the Windows search bar and you would be navigated here. Now, the moment you have downloaded it, you just have to proceed at the upper right side of the screen. Click this download icon and it will show up here. Click this folder icon so that you would be able to see where it is being placed or saved to. The next thing that you need to do is you need to select it, click this cut icon to move that, and once you have click on it, close the window as well as this. Please do a right click here and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted this driver, we need to unzip this file. So by that, please do a right click and scroll down, okay? And from here, click on this and go with this extract to. Okay, and by that, you just have to wait until a new folder, which is the extracted file, would appear here in our desktop. Okay. By the way, you can also check it also at the File Explorer. Move it there, bring it up, and go with the desktop at the left pane. Click on it and check if it's being extracted. Yes, it is being extracted now. So by that, you can now close the window and proceed to the next step. So the next step would be you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed for settings, please wait until a best match would appear and click on open to continue. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see Bluetooth and devices. Tap on it, and afterwards you need to scroll down and move to devices. So from here at the devices, please scroll down and locate for this option called more printers and drivers settings. So click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to bring up these devices and printers where you can see all of the printers and devices that are being installed in your Windows. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click on this option called Add a Printer. Click on it. And the moment you have bring up this window, you would be able to see an option at the bottom, which is the printer that I want isn't listed. So click on it and choose this add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and click on next. And from here, you need to use an existing port among of these three, which are USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you're good, click on next. And from here, click on Have Disk. Click on Browse to navigate to our location where our printer driver is being placed to. Go with desktop since it's being moved there. Scroll down and locate with this one, double tapped. And from here, select this driver, double tap once again. Okay. I've, oh no, let me just click this down arrow here. Let me just navigate again. And from this one. Okay. So double tapped once again. And the moment you do that, click on this OK. And it will show you the HP LaserJet 1006 as well. Click on next. And it will show you here. Click on next. And it will now begin on the installation. Click on next. Okay. And if you'd like to set as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I'll just leave it there. Click on finished and you're good to go. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1006 in your Windows PC or laptop. So from that, you can now close the window as well as this and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.